Good morning, viewers. Hello and welcome to the Breaking News Show, where we bring you the latest headlines and insightful stories to kickstart your day. I'm Kuhina Sharma and you are watching CNN News 18. On top of this bulletin, we're tracking some latest inputs from Bengal, where BJP has come up with a legal team to support right candidates who have lost their job for SSC scam. So these are the latest inputs that we are tracking at this point of time, wherein BJP has come up with a legal team to support right candidates who've lost their job for SSC scam. Now, PM last week had instructed the state BJP to start legal and social media team on this, and this update especially coming in after the Prime Minister's directive last week came in. Now, the BJP has launched a legal team to support the individuals who have been majorly affected by the SSC scam, while the Trinamool Congress faces scrutiny after a High Court verdict. Now, for better context to the viewers, a Calcutta High Court's verdict on SSC scam had jolted Trinamool Congress in the entire election season, with the annulment of the 2016 recruitment panel and termination of more than 25,000 teachers and staff deals, a blow to TMCs whose leaders were actually even involved in this entire scandal. So these are the latest inputs that we are gathering at this point of time. Now, joining us on the broadcast is our colleague Kamalika. Very good morning, Kamalika. What more details do we have about this legal team that has been created by the BJP in West Bengal?
See, with the order of Calcutta High Court, 26,000 candidates job has gone. Now, amidst this 26,000 candidates, there are candidates who are meritorious and who are rightfully were there in the panel, because the amount of number of people who have joined there from back door, they and the number of candidates who are actually truly they have given exam and truly they should get the jobs, they are mixed in such a way they have not been divided by the School Service Commission. That's what the claim is. So there are a lot of candidates who are also eligible. They are rightly doing their job, but still their job has gone. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi last week actually directed the Bengal team to come up with a legal team which will assist these people who are meritorious, who have rightfully got their job but have lost their job because of the High Court order. And also he directed to form a social media team who will actually reach out to them. Now, Shukanta Majumdar, who is the state president, he has formed a 6-member team, legal team on this, where these people will reach out to those who have actually lost their job out of no reasons, and they are going to give legal assistance, support to them in court, as well as they also are trying to reach those through social media and try to be with them. That's what the plan is.
Right, Kamalika, I'll request you to stay with us on the broadcast as we will hear out on what the PM had to say last week.
शिक्षक की भर्ती का जो घोटाला हुआ, उसमें जो पीड़ित है उनकी जिंदगी कितनी बदहाल हुई है। और मेरे अध्यक्ष जी यहां बैठे हैं बंगाल के, मैं उनको एक सुझाव देता हूं कि ये जो शिक्षक भर्ती घोटाला हुआ है, लेकिन उसमें बहुत निर्दोष लोग भी हैं जो सचमुच में शिक्षक की नौकरी के हकदार हैं। ये बाकियों के पाप के कारण ये निर्दोष लोग भी मुसीबत में गिर गए हैं। मैंने पश्चिम बंगाल के हमारे बीजेपी के अध्यक्ष से कहा है कि हम पार्टी के तौर पर ये जो शिक्षक भर्ती में जिनकी नौकरी गई है, उसमें नेक ईमानदार लोग हैं, हम उनकी मदद कैसे कर सकते हैं। मैंने बंगाल बीजेपी से कहा है कि प्रदेश स्तर पर एक लीगल सेल और एक सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म बनाया जाए। इससे उन लाभार्थियों को मदद होगी जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स सही होने के बाद भी इस घोटाले के शिकार हुए हैं।
Well, continuing to track some updates from West Bengal itself, where political war over Sandesh Khali now continues to peak after TMC posted a video of sting operation that shows BJP's Mandal Sabhabati Gangadhar Koyal saying that no rapes actually took place in Sandesh Khali. Now, TMC's claimed that the entire Sandesh Khali incident was orchestrated by the BJP to defame Bengal. Now, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has also said that the sting operation exposed BJP completely. Responding to the allegations, BJP has claimed that the video was doctored and a conspiracy by the TMC to defame BJP has unfolded. Now, it further said that by making false claims, TMC is only trying to suppress its sins in Sandesh Khali. Meanwhile, BJP's Mandal Gangadhar Koyal has filed a complaint, while the CBI claiming that his voice has been doctored in the video.
সন্দেশ খালি নিয়ে ভালো নাটক তৈরি করেছিলেন। আসল তথ্য ফাঁস হয়ে গেছে। আমি অনেক দিন ধরেই আপনাদের বলছিলাম এটা পরিকল্পনা এবং বিজেপির তৈরি করা নাটক। আমি আজকে একজন সাংবাদিক আমি ঢোকবার পথে আমায় বলছিল এটা ফাঁস হয়ে গেছে। আমি এখনো ডিটেইলসটা দেখিনি, আমি নিশ্চয়ই দেখব। কেন্দ্রের প্রতিনিধি মাননীয় রাজ্যপাল দেখছেন কীর্তি কারখানা, রাজভবনের কর্মচারীদের সাথে কি কাণ্ডকে ডেকে নিয়ে গিয়ে মলেস্টেশন করছেন, আর তারপর প্রধানমন্ত্রী তার বাড়িতে রাত্রি যাপন করে চলে গেলেন। যিনি সন্দেশখালি নিয়ে বড় বড় সন্দেশ দেন, কই রাজ্যপাল দিলেন না?
Well, now we are going back to our correspondent Kamalika. Kamalika, Sandesh Khali's sting is now exploding in the middle of the polls, and BJP is countering TMC's allegation of the entire matter being staged. What more are we learning on this report at this point of time?
See, this is a sting video which has become viral, and that video has been tweeted by All India Trinamool Congress. The verification of the video has not been done by News 18. We don't know about the video verification, but this has become a weapon for TMC, where in this video it is stated, it is shown that the person who is the BJP Mandal Sabhabati is saying that all these things were staged and how they actually did the Sandesh Khali. That's what the content of the sting operation is. This Mandal Sabhabati has claimed that the entire video is doctored, and he has written a complaint to CBI stating that this video is doctored. Now, the war of words is again now with Sandesh Khali, and Sandesh Khali is in headlines. Trinamool Congress, they have planned to take this video, this sting video, all over the country. They are going to do a press conference today in Delhi. They are going to show this in every block of Bengal. On the other hand, the BJP is clearly stating that this is a conspiracy, and this is the way to actually they are defaming Sandesh Khali woman more, because the movement out there is actually pinching Trinamool Congress. That's what the BJP is stating. So this is absolutely within the third phase of poll will go on the 7th. Before that, and Sandesh Khali will go in the last phase. Before that, this is another, again the Sandesh Khali is in headline. BJP is saying they are going to go an all and out attack on this. They are going to really find out about the nitty-gritties of this video. On the other hand, the Trinamool Congress showing that this is how the Bengal was defamed by people, by BJP, and this is the plot of BJP, where this video is showing it all. Abhishek Banerjee, National General Secretary, he himself did a press conference yesterday, and what we are coming to know that they are going with this video everywhere nationally, and also they are going to show it to the blog. So definitely Sandesh Khali is an issue for this election, and now with this sting video, this is again heating up the politics.
Right.